What's good, LouieXIII? Who is LouieXIII? Back at it again. And today, finally, people, today we are finally, you see my baby behind me, and today we're finally getting that muffler delete. I know a lot of people have been waiting on it. I've been waiting on it. A lot of people have been asking me about it. So today we're finally gonna go do that. I actually went yesterday, but they didn't have enough time to get me in. It's a real busy shop that we're going to. So yeah, man, without wasting too much time, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, drop a comment down below, tell me your thoughts, tell me what you want to see, what you want to talk about, and we're gonna get right to it. But without further ado, let's get this last cold start, baby, one last time. Honestly doesn't sound bad, I ain't gonna lie. You know, I like how it sounds stock. It's just a little too quiet for me, you know? So we're gonna go ahead and wake it up just a little bit. Let's hop up in the whip and we'll talk about it. The little crackle pop. Before we actually stop and get it done, we're gonna drive out, do a couple flybys, you know, let you hear how it sounds, a couple revs and all that. And then after we get it done, we'll do the same thing. So we'll have a little comparison for anybody that's interested in getting a muffler delete done, a mid muffler delete to be specific. And you know, you'll have a little more of an idea of what it'll sound like, if it's for you or if it's not. So like I said, enjoy the flybys, enjoy the little revs and all that. And we're gonna see you when we get to the muffler shop, baby. So you guys here, we're here at the muffler shop. Oh damn, I'm about to go forward into the wall. And driving it in, about to take it up, man. Before, the little mid mufflers right there, take those things out. let's go to muffler cover. I ain't doing this, so I did the wrong shot. See, all done. Got the mid mufflers bleeded. Straight pipe now. You want some good quality work done, you guys already seen firsthand what they did for me, you know, so I wouldn't take my car anywhere else. You guys want to get some work done on your muffler and you're in the area, come to Super Muffler, Santa Maria, California. There he is right there. That's John right there. Ask for John, Super Muffler, Santa Maria, man. Okay, you hear it? My neighbor's gonna like that, but sorry cuz. As I pass my cousin's house, he probably hears me all the time, man. He's gonna hear me a lot more now. Sorry cuz, I'm sorry. If you're watching this video, I'm sorry. Yeah, man. First impressions from my cousin here. What do you think, cuz?
That thing's mean. If you thought it sounded mean first time, it sounds way more mean. It sounds like a HELLCAT type right there.
Yes, sir. Because you heard it. You heard it when it was it had the mid muffler.
Yep. I did the honors of doing the first revs. And
yeah, he did the first revs for me. Yes, sir. Appreciate you, cuz. All right, guys. So as you heard, it sounds a lot better, man. I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, I was iffy on getting it done because a lot of people told me that it adds a lot of raspiness and something about a drone and all that, but I ain't gonna lie, man, I like it a lot. It pretty much sounds the same, just a little more aggressive, you know, a little louder, and that's exactly what I wanted, so I'm happy. It sounds a lot better. It's a cheap mod to do, probably one of the cheapest mods that you can do, the most bang for your buck. I'm sure if you look around on the internet, everybody says the same thing, you know, anywhere from $100 to $200, depending on who you go to. Just make sure you go to someone good, someone that's gonna line the tips up right and do everything that John did that you've seen in that video. I'm very happy to say the least. I can't say the same for my neighbors. They're probably gonna be a little upset with me. But you know, it is what it is. It comes with the game, baby. Like I said, go hit up John. Shout out to him for letting me be all up in his business. Real cool dude. He didn't have to let me record and do all that, but you know, he did, and I appreciate that. Best muffler work in the city. They do full exhaust and all that, so for anything you guys need, go hit up John, Super Muffler, Santa Maria, California. Shout out to Cat for doing all the drive-by footage and all that. She helped me out with that, and we got a hilarious reaction video coming, dropping tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. It is the best one yet by far, so stay tuned for that. That's dropping tomorrow. Thank you, Cat. If you enjoy the content, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give me a like, drop a comment down below, tell me your thoughts, tell me what you guys want to see, what you guys want to talk about, and we're gonna get it done. Also, if you guys are interested in any of the equipment I use, any of the products I use, all links are in the description. Go ahead and click that link, make a purchase through there, and help your boy out. I appreciate it so much. Other than that, that's it for this one, guys. Who is LouieXIII? Checking out. Salute.